Welcome to Pure Mathematics 1, Chapter 2, Coordinate Geometry, topic finding the equation of a line. For finding the equation of the line, you will be given two forms of question to solve the equation of the line. Two forms. The first form is that you will be given the gradient and the coordinate of a point in the line. And the second one, you will be given the coordinate 2 points in the line. The way to solve the two problems are the same, so I will work through this one first. That gives that I have the gradients of an equation is 3. Go through the point 2 and 7. First of all, we will use the form of y equal to mx plus c. Y here, you don't have to care whether it's vertical or horizontal, whether it's passing the origins or not. If it passes through the origin, the question will be designed that c will be zeros, and it will pass through the origin. It will not affect the result of it. So just take y equal to mx plus c equal either standard form for every single question. And now, because this one passed through the point 2 and 7, so 7 equal to 2, x is 2m plus c. Because this is a point on this line, so it must satisfy the equation y equal to mx plus c. And now we know that m equals 3, so 7 equal to 6 plus c, so c equal to 1. Now we have our c, we have our gradient, we have m equal to 3, so the equation is equal y equal to 3x plus 1. Right. Moving to the next type of question is we are given the coordinate of 2 points in the line. Let me take an example. I will be given the point A, which is 3 and 5, and the point B, which is 5 and minus 1. Now, how can we solve it? We just do it the same like that one. We will give in the general form mx plus c, and then we can see that from the 2 points we can calculate the gradient of the line. The gradient of the line really easy to calculate. Take y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Here I say 5 minus 1 over, take x1, 3 minus 5 equal to 6 over minus 2 equal to minus 3. In this case, we know that it passed through both of the points, so we can choose either point to be the point that u to find the value c. So for me, I would choose A. Even UB is up to you, because both of these both satisfy this equation. 5 equal to minus 3 multiply x equal to 3 plus c. So c equal to minus 9 plus c, so c equal to 14. So the formula of this equation is y equal to minus 3x plus 14. Moving to the next part is solving a question. And this question is one of the most common questions in the P1 paper, so you need to really pay a lot of attention to this part, understand how we can solve a question like this. So here is the question. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisectors of the line joining A, minus 2 and 5, to B, 4 and 3. So first of all, I would draw a graph, the graph to illustrate what is happening with the questions. First, I would draw. Here's my A, which is minus 2 and 5. And here's my B, 4 and 3. Now join these 2 points to a line. Now they say they wanted to find the equation of the perpendicular bisectors. This one is a perpendicular bisectors. The equation of this one, we need two things. First, we need the gradient of this line, and second, we need the coordinate of at least a point, coordinate of a point in the line. So now how can we find the gradient? Because they are perpendicular, so we think of the rules m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to -1. And to find the coordinate of a point, because it passed through the midpoint, so we have to find the coordinate of the midpoint of this line. So now we'll go and find this thing. First, in order to find the gradient of this one, we need to know the gradients of this line AB first. So gradients of AB and AB equal to 5 minus 3 over minus 2 minus 4, which is 2 over minus 6 minus 1 over 3. For this line, because they are perpendicular, so gradients of AB multiplied by the gradients of this line. So I would denote that we're a perpendicular bisector here, BD multiplied by AB equal to -1. So PD, which is a gradient of the perpendicular bisector, BB equal to -1 over -1 over 3, which is 3. So we get the gradients of this line is 3. Then moving to the next part, find the coordinates of the midpoint of this line. So how can we find the coordinate? The coordinate is equal to -2 plus 4 over 2 and 5 plus 3 over 2. So its coordinate is equal to -1 and 4. So now we have the gradients and we have a point in a line. We apply what we did before, y was mx plus c. Substitute it in here. 4 equal to m equal to 3 multiplied by x, which is -1 plus c. So 4 equal to c minus 3, c equal to 7, and y equal to 3x plus 7. So this one is the equation of the line, the perpendicular line to the line AB.